Hello people, welcome back to Nieceylocs, and I'm her handsome son. Today we're making pizza, but this is just a bread. We're gonna make all the toppings, all that kind of stuff. And let's get into it.
So these are the things he have for his pizza. You have mozzarella cheese, mild cheddar, pizza sauce, and pepperoni.
Okay guys, we're gonna take it out the box.
Oh my god.
Look, the wrap, whatever. And this says do not eat. I don't know what does it mean, do not eat. So let's take it out the wrapper. I can't talk. So let's just put this over the side. This pizza smells good. Okay, let's put all this stuff on the chunks. Okay, people, we're gonna do the sauce my mom told you about. So let's open this thing.
You gotta not. Oh, you did it.
You need this, and then
Just
you
spread it out. Oh, just throw it in there like this.
Oh, okay.
And
Then
you
okay.
Spread it out.
And then you just want to spread it everywhere. So, oh God. Spread. So you can place all your toppings on. You don't want to do it on the crust when you put all these things. There, guys. This is it. Why does it feel like the stove's on?
You want more sauce?
Okay, that's it. No, yeah. No.
No.
That's it. See? Just slide it around. Okay, that's good.
Okay, so put your cheese on.
Okay. You want 2 different types of cheese. I don't know how.
Okay.
Okay, now we're putting in the cheese. Here. You want a few little cheese, then you want to sprinkle it around everywhere so you can get all this good stuff. Just sprinkle it, sprinkle. And then you just want more so you can sprinkle everything. More cheese. You want more cheese. It tastes good with cheese, I'm not lying. Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's lots of cheese.
Pizza.
See?
Come on.
See, it's lots of cheese.
Put your crust on.
My
Pepperoni time.
These look like they're not supposed to go on this pizza.
What, cheese? You eat it out of can of food?
This is so oily. We're gonna put more cheese. Yeah, we need more cheese. It doesn't look nice without any cheese. Just put more. Just put everything scattered. I see. I'm just gonna take one. Okay, now we want to sprinkle more cheese.
Come on, let me help you sprinkle it.
It's good. We need sprinkle.
No.
Guys, you want to cover up all this stuff, like cover. There, see? This is how you want it to be like. Your pizza needs to be covered up with cheese everywhere. See? It looks like a mess.
So guys, you're gonna put your oven at 450 and you want to put this in for 8 to 10 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted. We're gonna put it in the oven. You don't know those viewers. Look, it's coming on real good.
Guys, we're gonna let it cool down for a minute and then we're gonna do it, okay? And eat it all up. So let's go. Guys, let's dig in. So let's cut it up a little. Oh my gosh, it's hot. I need gloves. Give me these.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, there. We need more shrink in it.
Like, let me do it.
See, that's you.
Guys, you need to have a pizza cutter for this.
We don't have a pizza cutter because we never made pizza.
There we go. We cut it.
Wait, guys, you can barely see the pepperonis. How they're just in there. Okay, let's taste it. I'm gonna taste the crust first. It's just like a real cool. I can touch the bread.
So how was it?
It's good.
It's good. Okay, so what you say? Want to say that do you recommend them to try it?
We got it from Walmart.
All right, finish eating and tell them.
And guys, this is the last one.
Because of the quarantine. So it's good. You love it. That's good. So guys, we see you in the next kids edition on cooking with Jamar. So he's gonna tell you guys bye.
Guys, like, subscribe to Nieceylocs on, and there's my mom's channel right there, right here, and 2 videos are right here. So goodbye. I'm gonna wait for you.